read ebe egwu na Jpac play voice note concerning Ebonyi son and ife okwuru maka evangelist Ebuka Obi wee sị na ọnya na oge echi planụrụ ya. Hey Chineke, ọga mmiri na-erigo, ọga mmiri erigo, kweta na mmiri erigo. The day you will understand that Ogechi is smarter than you, and Ogechi is systematically dismantling every single thing that made you Jpac. That day you will understand. If a very voice note, all of you knew when we battled this voice note online. In fact, this voice note, Potaparama period Melu Ijele Jiwegolu matter of Zion Ministry. This voice note contribute to what sent Ijele to Ebono. Ojiwebidoku Mak Evangelist Ebuka Obi, from arresting Matthias to this issue. We all hammered on this on Facebook then. Ogechi was never in the picture. It was a conversation that came out from WhatsApp group Ebe Jpac had belonged to content creators. Even MCA1, if I'm not mistaken, a lot of content creators, all the content creators in the MCA1 and manage Iraq. Yes, it was content creators in the MCA1 on our market na manage account to her. It was in that WhatsApp group that they were discussing, according to response Ebonyi son Hanyeru then. They were discussing on how they were going to trend where they go for that moment. Ebonyi son now brought out this. No, if you go with trend there, and no me, no ya for Jpac there. According to them, when this voice note came out, Jpac denied that it wasn't him who released that voice note. Today, you have accepted that none who released that voice note. I hope Ebonyi son cannot be so daft that you think that you have collided with your enemy. Therefore, if I honor you, my brother, you will destroy yourself more faster than you can ever imagine. I told you, you will destroy yourself. You lied that you were not the one who released this very voice note, because this voice note came out from a WhatsApp group of Nde MCA1 and managing their account then. So, was Ogechi in that platform? I am asking you, was Ogechi in that platform? Did MCA1 at any time manage account Ogechi? Was Ogechi's account ever monetized? Why are you trying to disgrace yourself? The fact remains that at that particular time, Nda United, you brought out this voice note. You brought it out as a tool to get to Ebonyi son. You know that was what you did. So now you have just ended up confirming to people that actually it was you who brought out that voice note, because you were lying then that it wasn't you. In fact, Uncle Ojere Kosulunu self in that WhatsApp group, Ojere Kosulunu, they branded you all manner of things. We remember, if you can remember then, it was because of this voice note that I joined Ijele Live. It was because of this same voice note that Ijele also joined my live program where he was defending Ebonyi son. Yeah? So, now, is this proving that every single thing Ogechi said about Jpac is true? If we can allege this, Ifemelu before our very own eyes, let me tell you, you are a very big liar. You are one of the problems in this particular thing. If you ever believe this sheep thing, because we all know when it happened in Akwa, observer, putting a touch here and there. As for this one the Jpac, you missed it all. You will nail yourself. You will nail yourself. A lot of that, if you put that program email yesterday, you ended up implicating and incriminating yourself. This is how, as in he who the gods want to destroy, the first made man. If you can come up with something, I need name on Facebook. Ogechi was not mentioned anywhere. You only sent that voice note to Ogechi, and you denied. Everybody came out. Why you put a confidential voice note? Ebony Son even came up in defense. A lot of people known at that platform came up in defense of Ebony Son, that he did not do that voice note directly to Evangelist Ebukobi, that all of you were talking about Ifunu Yemekunu were trend there in a WhatsApp group that Oge Chokeke Njaka anoro there. My brother, Ige mo nwego 30. Then we come up with something. So had it mean that no agree to such thing? Had it mean no agree to such thing? We made the thing. Or when the mother without knowing that now, if I have a plan deal, I even ask a question. Then does it mean that if any allege about Evangelist Ebukobi, that this was how all of them came out because people want to trend and make money? This was the question I was asking them. I asked Ijele, should we now agree that every single thing about Evangelist Ebukobi, that it was all lies, that they were all conceived in a WhatsApp group just to use the name of the man to trend and make money? It was so controversial on Facebook then. Today, just to disgrace yourself, you brought it as I don't know the God you worship, and I don't know how you sleep at night. But what I know is that honestly, you and your wife gonna try, because I don't know how you sleep, knowing fully well that man can go, and then every single thing you believe in is crumbling before your very own eyes. Could this be the last kick of a dying horse? I don't know. Ask yourself question. It is too early for you. It is still early for you now. It is still too early for you now. I say, remember your favorite is Ugo. Eh? Daron.
You know, man, Kana Basaga, no one. On the Nakamo Hungary man, and Kana Basaga. I didn't. You know, Ikabado. Now to his button in Ahu. Anna Basaga, no one. You need in the way Kesaga. They know I want to get one again, no under Watchers Association of Nigeria. I need one because what there is Iggy help again. Now for God bless man, Ilian. God bless. The name you will see and can. I was a lobitas. In everything, in everything, you will learn out of because on carbon again, Charlie, will listen and Kijidanaka. Relax is here. When I'm making when I get the Sakanaga on. But nevertheless, or for no or for Monye G. Emelene Melana, Kebe Zoku, Kayapata Batarian also, when I got go, so Kina and them, and I say the Quadric Zolobita sink again, Key Renege, Okwanga, because now the day unfolds, new stories are coming outside. But for you, in West Trent, Key Renege, in Haneku, in a linen, and I'm going to make question in our own milli, name question in our own milli, Cardinal. Hey, Jesus. And I got again. I'm gonna man don't chop. No, I'm the jobless. I'm so bad at him. I'm jobless. You can't get on one, you know, you're an issue. This is when. Then I went on Facebook. I was quite good on Facebook. I'm going to go see you.